What is up guys, Rafiq here, and today I'm going to show you how to pair and unpair the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. I have it already reset and I have my Samsung S10 Plus as well as an Honor 7A device. So I'm going to show you how to pair the smartwatch first with the Samsung device. It's actually pretty simple. As soon as you power on the smartwatch and unlock your device, you get this notification and you just need to click add. This works only with the Samsung devices. Now it has started to pair, and yes, you just click OK when you get this notification and tap OK on your smartwatch as well, and it has started to pair now. This is the part where we wait. It's boring, so I have fast forwarded it. It's now paid, and this is the user interface that you get as soon as you pair the watch. You get the battery percentage of the watch and the storage as well as the RAM that's available, and you have all these settings. You can even check the connection status from the notification panel. There you have Rafiq's Galaxy watch, and you will also have the battery percentage over there. You have some nifty features in here. From the notification panel you can find your watch. If you misplaced it somewhere, you can open the app directly, the Galaxy wearable app. You can unpair the smartwatch as well from the notification area, and it already says I have 5 updates available for the apps in the smartwatch. So I'm not going to update it right now. Now comes the part where we reset the smartwatch to pair it with another phone. So it's pretty simple. You just need to scroll down and go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on connect to new phone and click yes. I'm in the tick mark, and yes, it's going to reset your smartwatch now, and once it's done we'll get back. Again, it's boring to wait, so I'm fast forwarding it. It's almost done. Until it resets, let us go ahead and install some apps that we need to pair the smartwatch. These are the apps that we need to install on the device to successfully pair the smartwatch, and let's quickly go ahead and install them. The first one is the Samsung Galaxy wearable and the Samsung accessories services, as well as the Samsung Galaxy watch plugin. So I've already installed all the apps, and now you can see that the watch is successfully reset. You just have to go ahead and open the Samsung Galaxy wearable app on your Android device. So you can see it's these are the factory settings. Until and unless you pair it with a phone, you won't get anything else on the smartwatch. So here we go. Now just open the Samsung Galaxy wearable app from your app drawer and select the smartwatch. I mean, whatever the accessories, if you have a Samsung Galaxy Buds, or if you have Samsung Galaxy Active Watch, Icon X, anything, all the accessories from Samsung, you can pair it up from here. So I'll select the Galaxy Watch and I'll allow everything. Let's do it once again. So I'm again selecting the Galaxy Watch and I'll allow. Say allow to everything, and now it has started to pair. Again, you have to click pair, tap it on the watch as well, and yes, it has started to pair the smartwatch with your Android device. It's gonna take some time until it pairs up, so let me fast forward it again. It's almost paid up and it says congrats. I would agree to the terms and conditions and I'll allow everything. Agree to all, and I'm gonna skip it for now. Yes, I'm gonna skip it for now. Click next, allow, and also in order to get the notifications you'll have to give access to the Samsung Galaxy wearable app from these settings. So let me show you how it is done. So here you just click allow and it will directly take you to the settings, and yes, here it is. We have successfully paired the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch with an Android device other than a Samsung smartphone. So the watch works perfectly well, no issues here. As usual, the watch user interface is so smooth. As this is the first boot after reset, it's still loading the apps and everything, so it takes some time for it to load. This is the calendar, the steps and blah blah blah. All that good stuff. Now let's go ahead and check some of the features on the phone, and also let me show you notification area in this on our device. So there's a slight difference in here. So as you can see, we have the Bluetooth logo showing us the status that the watch is connected, and if you notice something's missing on this device which was available on the Samsung device. It's the quick controls in the notification area where you had the option to check the battery percentage of the smartwatch and other things as well. Apart from that, it's pretty same. You get the same options which you had on your Samsung device. So these are the apps again for your reference. You can pause and download these if you want. And that's it for today, and that's the end of the video, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care, peace.